Hey guys, Anastasia here. Welcome and welcome back to my channel where I share amazing recipes that can help you grow out your hair. So in today's video, I'm gonna share with you guys this powerful hair growth oil. So if that's what you're interested in, you want to make sure you keep watching this video till the end. And of course, yeah, before and after shots of my hair. So my hair has really improved with the use of my homemade recipes. So if you are interested in growing out your hair, please stick around. So to make this hair growth oil, I'm gonna use some neem leaf powder. Neem promotes healthy hair growth and improves hair density. It also helps to get rid of dandruff, and because of its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, it strengthens the hair follicles and aids in the growth of new hair. So it also has medicinal properties that help to treat hair loss. It helps to condition the hair and improve the overall health of the hair from root to tip. Next, I'm gonna add in some extra virgin olive oil. Olive oil easily penetrates the hair shaft, making it softer and easy to manage. And then I'm gonna add some avocado oil. This oil contains vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that help to keep our hair strong and healthy. It also helps to make the detangling process easy. And next, I'm gonna add some Jamaican black castor oil, which is known to promote thicker and longer hair. It also helps to improve blood circulation to the scalp. And yeah, next up, I'm just gonna mix everything together. You just want to mix properly, and then we're gonna move to the next step. Now I'm gonna add some peppermint essential oil, which is also said to increase the number of hair follicles in our hair as it stimulates hair growth with its tingling sensation to the scalp. And then I'm gonna add tea tree oil, which has antibacterial, antimicrobial, and anti-inflammatory properties, which makes it potent treatment for dandruff and just the overall health of the scalp. Next, I'm gonna use some lavender essential oil. Lavender essential oil can speed up hair growth. It can generate the growth of cells and reduce stress. It also has antimicrobial properties. And next up, I'm gonna use some eucalyptus essential oil, which is also known to stimulate hair growth and fight dandruff and improve hair elasticity. So I'm just gonna tie this in a black bag because we want to keep this in a dark container, and my container is not dark, so I'm just gonna wrap that up in a black plastic bag and then keep it in a very dark corner. So you want to keep that there for about 2 weeks to a month, and then you can start using it. Next, this is the second method. So I forgot to mention in this video, I'm gonna share with you guys 2 methods of making this hair growth oil. So for the second method, again, I just went ahead and poured in some powder into a measuring cup, and then I added some avocado oil. So basically, I'm gonna use the same oils that I used in the first method. It's just that the method of preparing this oil is different, but I'm still gonna use the same oil. So now I'm gonna add my extra virgin olive oil. I just want to add until I have the desired quantity that I need. So I add that, and then I'm gonna go ahead and just mix everything together until it's properly mixed. So I went ahead and transferred the mixture into this bowl, and I'm just doing the double boiling method. You don't want to place the oil in direct heat, so that's what I did. And when it's ready, you let it cool, and then I use my cheesecloth and I'm gonna strain out the oil. So now I'm gonna go ahead and transfer the oil into my applicator bottle for easy application. And of course, as I'm pouring, you can see that there's some particles of the powder in it because the powder was too fine. You couldn't get everything out unless I had to use the cheesecloth like twice or maybe 3 times, but I didn't really care. I actually do like it having a little bit of the powder because why not? So I went ahead and added the same essential oils that I added in the first method. The peppermint essential oil, tea tree, eucalyptus, lavender, and yeah, lemongrass essential oil. So this time around I added some lemongrass essential oil. Lemongrass has purifying properties which helps to detoxify the scalp, leaving it feeling clean and clear. So yeah, this oil is ready for use. Now I'm gonna show you guys how I use this oil on my hair. And just to mention, when you use the heat method, the double boiling method, the oil is ready for immediate use because the heat helps with the infusion process, so you don't need to take long. But with the first method, you have to keep it for about 2 weeks to a month before you can start using it. So first off, of course, I had to apply my leave-in conditioner. I just washed my hair, so this is part of the moisturizing process. So I'm just gonna apply my leave-in conditioner first and then seal that with an oil like you see me do. So you want to apply this oil to your scalp and then to the length of your hair. Massage it in, walk it through your hair, and you can apply this oil twice or thrice a week for maximum benefits. Make sure that you spritz your hair or spray water or one of the hairsprays that I make on my channel on your hair if it's dry, and then you apply your oil and then you're good to go. So this oil really helps to stimulate hair growth, promote healthy scalp. This is one of the ingredients that you really need if you want to grow healthy, long and thick hair. So don't sleep on neem powder. Neem powder is very beneficial for healthy hair growth. So yeah guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found value in it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel below. Turn on post notifications so that YouTube will notify you whenever I upload a new video. And please follow me on Instagram at Fragile Curls to see all the behind the scenes and other things that I do with my hair. So guys, this is it for today, and I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you have any questions, just leave them down in the comment section below and I'll be glad to reply you. And let me know if you're gonna try this recipe or how you have benefited from using this plants. So yeah, let's get chatty in the comment section. Bye.